Hello students, in the previous video we discussed how to make provision for depreciation account. In this video we will discuss asset disposal account along with provision for depreciation account. Now when a part of a asset is sold, at that time a separate account can be maintained which is called asset disposal account. This account helps to give a clear picture of that particular asset which is sold. Now in the exam question, it will be mentioned categorically that you have to prepare this asset disposal account. At that time you have to make this account compulsorily. A same type of question today we will be seeing in this video. If you feel the video is good and helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, please give your feedback in the comments. On January 1, 2021, एक transport company, ABC Transport Company, purchased 5 trucks for rupees 20,000 each. Depreciation has been provided at the rate of 10% per annum using straight line method and accumulated for depreciation account is also maintained. On January 1, 2022, one truck was sold for rupees 15,000. You are required to prepare a truck account, provision for depreciation account and truck disposal account for the years ended on December 2021, 2022, assuming that the firm closes its account in December every year. So, अभी क्या बोल रहा है, हमें 3 अकाउंट्स बनाना है. एक है ट्रक अकाउंट, एक है प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट एंड ट्रक डिस्पोजल अकाउंट. कितने सालों के लिए? 2 साल के लिए बनाना है, 2021 एंड 2022. अनदर वेरी वाइटल इंफॉर्मेशन कि बिजनेस जो है वो अपना अकाउंट्स कब क्लोज कर रही है? दैट इज डिसम्बर एवरी ईयर. दैट मीन्स द अकाउंटिंग ईयर ऑफ द बिजनेस इज फ्रॉम जनवरी टू डिसम्बर. सो फर्स्ट वील डू द वर्किंग नोट्स. Calculation of the amount of depreciation. In the first year 2021, that is as on 1st January 2021, we purchased 5 trucks at the rate of 20,000 each, so total rupees 1 lakh. So depreciation on this rupees 1 lakh at the rate of 10% for the first year is equal to rupees 10,000. In the next year, that is 2022, as on 1st January 2022, one truck was sold. So value of one truck is 20,000 and this is under straight line method, remember that. So the total value of truck in hand as on 1st January 2022 is 1 lakh minus 20,000 is equal to 80,000. So for depreciation on rupees 80,000 for the year end 2022 is 10% on 80,000 equal to rupees 8,000. Next we will be moving to the next working note, that is calculation of the profit and loss of sale of this one truck. Now the original cost of this one truck as on 1st January 21 is rupees 20,000. Less depreciation for this year ended 31st December 21 is 20,000 pay 10%, that is 2,000. Minus करेंगे, that is 18,000. This is the book value of this truck as on 1st January 2022. On the same date, on 1st January 2022, this truck is sold and the value is rupees 15,000. Since it is sold on the first date only, 1st January 2022, so no further depreciation will be charged on this asset. तो क्या हो गया? ये सेल प्राइस है 15,000 और उस दिन उसका वैल्यू क्या था? 18,000. Clearly understand there is a loss on the sale of this truck, that is rupees 3,000. This 3,000, this value will be transferred to the profit and loss account. Okay, then let's go to the next part, that is the very first account, truck account. In the books of ABC Transport Company, truck account, 1st January 2021, truck account debit to bank account 1 lakh. As on 31st December 2021, balance CD करेंगे, so that is 1 lakh. इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ 1 जनवरी 2022 बैलेंस को बॉट डाउन करेंगे, दैट इज 1 लाख. ऑन द सेम डेट ऑफ 1 जनवरी 2022 वन ऑफ द ट्रक वॉज सोल्ड. कितना वैल्यू था? 20,000. तो उसे हमें क्या करना है? ट्रक डिस्पोजल अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. सो बाय ट्रक डिस्पोजल अकाउंट 20,000. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू वांट ए डिटेल्ड video on the journal entries of this depreciation under different types of question, then you please write that also in the comments. I will make a detailed separate video on the journal entries. Okay, now come back. तो by truck disposal account कितना हो गया? 20,000. So 31st December 2022 कितना हो जाएगा बैलेंसिंग फिगर? बैलेंस शीट क्या होगा? 1 लाख से 20,000 का एसेट हमने ट्रक डिस्पोजल अकाउंट में सेंड कर दिया है, तो अभी बैलेंस कितना है? 80,000. दिस 80,000 बिकम्स द ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑन द नेक्स्ट ईयर, दैट इज 1 Jan 23. सो बैलेंस बॉट डाउन करेंगे, दैट इज 80,000. हो गया ट्रक अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट वी विल डू द ट्रक डिस्पोजल अकाउंट. सो एज ऑन 1 January 2022 जो ट्रक अकाउंट से जो बैलेंस ट्रांसफर हुआ था, दैट इज 20,000, दैट विल राइट दैट टू ट्रक अकाउंट 20,000. सबसे पहले जो डेप्रिसिएशन इस ट्रक पे चार्ज किया गया है टिल डेट, दैट इज ऑन एज ऑन 1 January 2022 तक का जो डेप्रिसिएशन है, दैट वी ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड इन नोट 1 इज 2,000. देन इस ट्रक को बेच के कितना मिला? बाय बैंक अकाउंट 15,000 एंड इट वॉज अ लॉस ऑन दिस सेल ऑफ दिस ट्रक, दैट इज ₹3,000. सो टोटल हो गया ये 20,000 एंड 20,000 एंड दिस अकाउंट इज क्लोज्ड. नेक्स्ट इज अ प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट. सो फर्स्ट ईयर के एंड में, दैट इज 31st December 21, बाय डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट दैट इज 10,000. वी ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड दिस इन नोट 1. सो वो बैलेंस सी डी होगा, दैट इज 31st December 21 में जाके टू बैलेंस सी डी हो जाएगा 10,000. ओके, दिस बिकम्स द ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑन द नेक्स्ट ईयर, दैट इज 1 Jan 2022. बाय बैलेंस बॉट डाउन करेंगे 10,000. ऑन द सेम डेट 1 January 2022 to truck disposal account 2,000, that is the depreciation on the truck that was sold, 2,000. Okay, at the year end 31st December 22 by depreciation account, that is on the remaining asset जो हमने calculate किया था note 2 में, that is 8,000. Okay, now add किया हमने 18,000, यहाँ पे था 2,000. so what is the balancing figure? that is 16,000. So two balance CD हो गया 16,000. Ultimately this becomes your opening balance as on the 1st January 23. by balance brought down करेंगे, that is 16,000.